We're on our way today to Annapolis.
Oh, where you go? Going to the Annapolis in-water sail boat show.
We've heard it is really fantastic, so we wanted to go.
Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 1223 Zulu. Wind 170 at 09er. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point 15 Celsius. Altimeter 2962. Remarks. Density altitude 2,300.
Clearance delivery, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo.
Skylane 80 Papa Echo, Wichita clearance delivery, verify on the ground at Jabara.
Affirm, on the ground Jabara.
Skylane 80 Papa Echo, cleared to Lima, Whiskey, Victor Airport as filed. Maintain 3,000, expect 7,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 134.8, clock 1737, hold for release.
Alright, 0 Papa Echo, clear to Lima Whiskey Victor Airport as filed. Climb maintain 3,000, expect 7,010 minutes. Departure frequency 134.8, squawk 1737, hold for release, 0 Papa Echo.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, refact correct, advise when number 1 ready for departure on 134.8.
We'll advise, 0 Papa Echo.
Oh, look at the sun.
That's going to be pretty, huh? Bar traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo, taxi from the hangars to roundup area 18, Jabbar. Wichita approach, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo is at Jabbar, holding for release at 18. We got in inbound traffic, we got inside.
Your Papa Echo traffic, 3 miles north of the airport at 2,100 inbound is citation, and you are released for departure, flighting 180, Funable advise.
Alright, we're going to wait on that landing traffic.
I almost see that sun rising.
Yeah, it's pretty.
We're sitting here.
Alright, instruments are green. Speed's alive. And rotate. Positive rate, flaps coming up. Wichita approach, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, 1,900, climbing 3,000, 180 heading.
0 Papa Echo, ident, Wichita altimeter is 2963.
2963, 0 Papa Echo.
0 Papa Echo, you better contact 2 miles south of Jabbar Airport, verify altitude, climb maintain 7,000.
2,400, and then we'll climb into 7,000, 0 Papa Echo.
0 Papa Echo, change my frequency 134.85.
134.85, 0 Papa Echo.
And 0 Papa Echo, contact Kansas City Center, 120.2. Good day.
120.20 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day. Kansas City Center, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, level 7,000.
November 80 Papa Echo, the new altimeter 2968.
2968 Papa Echo. Yeah, that's the only weather we got to worry about today.
And we'll just kind of keep watching as we get closer.
Yeah. Been out this way in a long time. Look at the Flint Hills here.
I know it. Isn't that pretty the way the sun's hitting them?
0 Papa Echo, contact Kansas City 127.72.
2772 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day.
As well.
Kansas City Center, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, level 7,000.
November 80 Papa Echo, Kansas City Center, and for altimeter 2964.
2964 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, change my frequency 125.55.
2555 Papa Echo. And Skylane 80 Papa Echo's back with you on 2555.
Thank you.
definitely more clouds below us now.
Yeah, it's starting to cloud up a little bit.
River 80, Papa Echo, contact Whiteman approach on 127.45.
2745, 0 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day. Approach Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, level 7000.
Skylane number 80, Papa Echo, Whiteman approach to White altitude 2972.
2972, 0 Papa Echo. It's like the bad part of that weather's already gone down south a little bit.
Yeah, it has.
This just looks
That's
like
just rain, yeah. There's no lightning or anything, so and it's not even real heavy rain.
It looked like it. And that was the only turbulence area we were going to come near. Lakes of these coming up. The Lake of the Ozarks.
Oh.
They snake all the way over to here.
I know, it's huge. That's pretty the way that almost like an island, but it is connected.
Yeah.
South there.
Oh, there's like several of them. You know, this big one here and then that little one.
That is just beautiful.
That is. Gosh, you got 1,000,000 miles of shoreline here.
I know it. We're on our way today to Annapolis.
Oh, we going to the Annapolis in-water sail boat show.
We've heard it is really fantastic, so we wanted to go.
And the Miami boat show is huge, but it caters more to power boats.
It does, it does.
And they have sailboats there, but it's just not a huge selection.
Right.
And everybody's told us you really need to go to Annapolis. That's the one with the hotter range and more models and brands and everything. Oh, we're gonna go give it a shot.
Plus, this should be a beautiful time of year to head that way. So, anyway, we'll make a stop in Lawrenceville, Illinois for fuel and for the plane and for us.
A little refueling for both of us.
We haven't eaten this morning.
Yeah, yeah.
So I've had a little coffee and Ron's had some Diet Coke, so I'm beginning to be ready for that.
My stomach's starting to gurgle a little bit. We didn't bring any kind of snacks with us, did we?
Oh, we did. And someone will comment and say we need to bring some energy bars and this, and they'll make some suggestions.
Of course.
And we're, you know, always think, well, I'll eat a little something. I like yogurt, so I'll eat a little yogurt or something before I leave. But then we're trying to get out the door and all that,
yeah.
and you're right. There are just boathouses everywhere.
Oh, that turbulence is up high.
Yeah, that's what I was just looking at.
That's the turbulence high. See, we don't have anything down low. We got icing up there too.
Yeah.
It's getting icing at flight level 180.
Well, that's St. Louis that we're flying almost directly over.
No.
Hope it's not cloudy. Maybe we can see the arch.
This doesn't look to be that wide.
Pop Echo, flighting 090.
090, 0 Pop Echo. We got a plane kind of coming straight at us. See St. Louis downtown. I see the arc. You can see the sun glistening off of it.
Yeah.
See it right there at 11 o'clock?
Yeah, we'll get a good picture then. We just watched that show about the St. Louis Arch, about them building it and
Yeah,
everything.
that was pretty cool, yeah.
It was. Architect designed it, but they didn't know if it was possible to actually build it.
Yeah. Well, the tolerance had to be so tight when they put that keystone in.
It made the architect famous.
It did.
Never got to see this completed, but he designed a bunch of other stuff.
There's the airport out here on our left.
Oh, yeah.
Skyline 0 Pop Echo traffic 1 o'clock, 7 miles northbound of Southwest 737, 1,000 for 8,000.
I'll look at 0 Pop Echo. And no joy, 0 Pop Echo.
0 Pop Echo, roger. Pop Echo traffic will not be a factor.
Thank you much, 0 Pop Echo.
Bridge is real pretty behind the arch, too.
Yeah. And on this side of the arch. Yeah, I remember going over that bridge because you can see the arch real good.
Yeah. A lot of barges on this river. I mean, a ton.
Skyline 0 Pop Echo, you can proceed on course now.
Proceed on course, 0 Pop Echo.
Oh, wow, we're almost right over it, aren't we?
Yeah.
With the strut in there. Scott Air Force Base.
That's going to help you block that sun just a touch.
I know it. Looks like some rain over to the left
to the
there.
left, yeah.
From 80 Pop Echo, kind of Kansas City, 712.4.3.
24.30 Pop Echo. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Kansas City Center, Skylane, November 80 Pop Echo, level 7,000.
80 Papa Echo, Kansas City Center, good morning. Mount Vernon altimeter 2988.
2988 Pop Echo. There's a lot of farmland out here, isn't there?
I know it.
We may start getting the weather now.
Lawrenceville Vincennes International Airport, Lawrenceville, Illinois. Automated weather observation 1515 Zulu. Wind 170 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 10,000. Temperature 16 Celsius. 2.08 Celsius. Altimeter 2989. Remarks. Density altitude 700.
A little bit of rain right on top of the airport.
Yeah, it looks like it.
You're right. At least the little bit of clouds has kind of kept the glare down.
A little bit.
November 0 Papa Echo, contact Evansville approach 127.35.
2735 Pop Echo. Have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Approach Skylane November 80 Pop Echo, level 7,000.
November 80 Papa Echo, Evansville approach, Evansville altimeter 2991.
2991 Pop Echo.
It's a little bit of rain we thought we'd get.
Yeah.
November 0 Papa Echo, Eastern maintain 2,500.
2,500 Pop Echo.
November 0 Papa Echo, change to my frequency 125.6 for radio coverage.
125.6 Pop Echo.
November 0 Papa Echo, traffic at your 2 o'clock, 10 miles. That's 8 miles southwest of the airport. Northeastbound altitude indicates 1,500. Maybe inbound to the airport as well.
All right, look at 0 Pop Echo.
November 0 Papa Echo, Lawrenceville Airport, 12 o'clock, 10 miles.
Skylane number 80 Pop Echo, we have the field inside.
0 Papa Echo, roger, cleared visual approach Lawrenceville Airport. That traffic's now at your 1 to 2 o'clock, 7 miles northeastbound. Altitude indicates 1,400.
All right, still looking 0 Pop Echo.
0 Papa Echo, report cancellation of IFR in the air or on the ground with me. That's frequency, change to advisor, frequency approved.
All right, we can go ahead and cancel now, 0 Pop Echo.
0 Papa Echo, IFR cancellation received, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Talk to you later.
All right, Squawk and Talk VFR, have a blessed day, 0 Pop Echo. Lawrenceville traffic, Skylane November 80 Pop Echo is 8 to the west, going to enter a right base for 18 full stop, Lawrenceville.
Wind 170 at 06.
That's all I need to know, huh? Lawrenceville traffic, Skylane November 80 Papa Echoes on a 4-mile final, 18 full stop, Lawrenceville. Lawrenceville traffic, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo short final, 18 full stop, Lawrenceville.
2-mile final runway 18.
All right, full flaps.
$500.
Minimums.
Couldn't quite make it go.
Well, it's easy to see. There's the FBO right there.
Yeah. Lawrenceville traffic, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, clearing 18 at Echo, taxiing to the FBO. Lawrenceville. This is a smooth landing.
It was nice.
Oh, there's our marshal.
Oh, good. I always like when they come out.
They would tell you where to go, huh?
You can find out about fuel and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
They have a ton of parking here.
Yeah.
Wind 170 at 06.
Ron's got chicken noodle. And I have tomato basil.
I got chicken bow tie.
I know. Some sort of noodle. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Real good, actually.
Mine's really good. I've already eaten a bite. What you got, Ron?
It's a open-faced meatloaf sandwich
With some mashed potatoes.
and mashed taters.
Looks pretty good.
Doesn't look bad.
And I have a chicken spinach melt. It's on raw bread, so it should be good.
The Lawrenceville Vincennes International Airport was originally established in 1942 by the United States Army Air Forces. It was then known as the George Army Airfield, and it was assigned to the Eastern Flying Training Command on August the 10th. It conducted advanced twin-engine flight training until it was transferred to Troop Carrier Command on August the 15th of 1944. The airport was placed in standby status on September the 1st, 1944, and with the drawdown of the pilot training program, it was declared a surplus and turned over to the Army Corps of Engineers on September the 30th of 1945. It was eventually discharged to the War Asset Administration and became a civilian airport. The airport had airline services at one time according to the Allegheny Airline timetable of April 27, 1969. Allegheny Airlines provided 2 departures on weekdays and 1 on weekends, with routing from Lawrenceville to Terre Haute, Indianapolis, using the Nord 262 aircraft. The Allegheny timetable of December 15, 1969 changed the services to 1 weekday flight with no weekend services and routing from Lawrenceville to Cincinnati. The larger Corvair 580 aircraft came into play, and by April of 1970 there were no more services provided by Allegheny.